What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over CPC, so I'm going to be answering the question, what is CPC? This is part of my marketing term series, so you can find my playlist on YouTube. I'll put the link in the video description, but I'm going to be trying to go over all sorts of different marketing terms that can be helpful for people who are just entering digital marketing or who are looking to expand their knowledge for their current role. So CPC stands for cost per click. And cost per click is the average cost per ad click. So how much you're spending as an advertiser every time someone clicks on your advertisement. So a quick example, let's say Surfside PPC runs an advertising campaign. I get 1,000 clicks and it costs me $750. What is my CPC for this campaign? So my CPC for this campaign, just looking at the very easy formula here, total costs divided by total clicks. So we could take our cost $750, divide it by 1,000, and we're going to get $0.75 for every single click. Now, one of the main questions you might have is your CPC too high? So if you're running an advertising campaign, your cost per click can have a major impact on overall performance. So I just took some numbers here and we'll take our campaign cost that we just used. So let's just say we ran a campaign, $750 we spent, our conversion rate was 3%. Our average order value was $50. So using our 3% conversion rate, for every 1,000 clicks, we should drive 30 sales. 30 sales with a $50 average order value would equal $1,500 in revenue. So what you want to do is come up with a return on ad spend, and if our revenue was $1,500, our total cost was $750, then our return on ad spend is 200%. So no, your CPC would not be too high in this case. Now, if we doubled our cost per click, if it went up to $1.50, then that means our return on ad spend would be 100%, in which case a 100% return on ad spend would just be breaking even. So your CPC would probably be too high in that case, because what you're looking for is a return on ad spend over 100%, so that you're returning more money than you spent during your advertising. So coming to our final slide here, what is the average CPC? It really varies by industry and who you're targeting and the ad network. It's going to be more expensive to advertise products and services that are more expensive, but a good estimate for an average CPC across Google ads, search and display, across Facebook ads is about $1.50 for every single click. Now, that's also going to include things like lawyers who are paying $10, $20 per click, marketing companies who are paying $20 per click. So if you're a company that's paying, so this estimate of $1.50 could be inflated by some of those different industries where companies are just paying a ton of money for every time someone clicks on their advertisement. Now, to finish off the video, I just want to look at this great graphic from wordstream.com. So I'll put this link in the video description so you can easily find this graphic, but it's the average cost per click in Google ads by industry. And you can see here is a few industries right here, $6.75 and $6.40 for consumer services and for legal. So those industries tend to pay more. You're going to see technology is pretty high at $3.80. And this is for the search. If you look at the top portion is the search network, and at the bottom is the display network. So you're going to pay less for display clicks, but they're usually not as valuable as search clicks. So the average cost per click in Google ads across all industries is about $2.70 on the search network and about 63 cents on the display network. So that's CPC. It's how much you're paying per click. And hopefully you learned a little bit more about the average that advertisers are paying for clicks for every time someone clicks on one of their advertisements. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.